Third set, pick 5. And the rough. Early lead is taken by Mr. Integrity. Defiant moving up on the inside is Defiant. Mr. Integrity, Billionaria up of Bell. And Laon is bringing up the rear. And now the mid-back stretch is Defiant by 4.5 lengths, followed by Laon in second, Mr. Integrity, up of Bell and Billionaria. Nearing the far turn, Defiant by 3.5 lengths. It is still Defiant in the lead, followed by Laon in second. And here comes Bell moving up now on the outside. By the rail is Mr. Integrity and Billionaria. Rounding the far turn, it is still entry number 1, Defiant, leading the field by 5 lengths, followed now by Bell in second. And by the rail is Laon, and here comes Billionaria. And into the home stretch, it is still Defiant, leading the field by 4.5 lengths, followed by Bell in second, Laon and Billionaria. And into the home stretch, and nearing the payoff line, it's still entry number 1, Defiant in the lead, Bell and Billionaria moving up on the inside. And finally at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 1, and that is Defiant with Jet Tagulaw Sarate, Bell, Billionaria, Mr. Integrity, Laon.